Finding quality product is frustrating because there is too much of information out there. Are you fed up with having to sift through bad Google results and fake reviews when researching products? If so, you've come to the right place. We collect reviews from reliable sources, filter out the false ones, and present the data in an easy-to-understand format so you can make more informed buying decisions. If at any time you decide to buy, then the product links are provided in the description below. The QCY T13. True wireless earbuds are an impressive pair of wireless earbuds that deliver premium sound quality, comfortable and secure fit, and long battery life at an affordable price. These earbuds are a compelling alternative to pricier wireless options like the AirPods Pro or Galaxy Buds Live. The sound quality of the QCY T13 earbuds rivals earbuds that cost twice as much. They feature 10mm dynamic drivers that produce full, rich sound with deep bass, clear highs and vocals, and wide soundstage. Listening to music is a joy on these earbuds. They handle every genre from pop to rock to jazz with nuance and power. They're also great for phone calls, with minimal background noise and loud, crisp call quality. For the price, the fit and comfort level of the QCY T13 earbuds are impressive. They come with small, medium, and large ear tips to ensure a snug and secure seal in your ear. The earbuds stay firmly in place for working out, sports, or activity without falling out. Their ergonomic and lightweight design prevents discomfort even during long periods of use. The QCY T13 earbuds provide an incredible amount of battery life for wireless earbuds. They get up to 7 hours of playback on a single charge and another 21 hours when stored in the charging case. This equals up to 30+ hours between charges. They recharge quickly via USB-C and are ready to go again in just 1-2 hours. You'll never have to worry about your earbuds losing power at an inopportune time. With amazing sound, an uncompromised fit, and substantial battery life, the QCY T13 True Wireless Earbuds offer outstanding value for the money. At under $50, they prove that premium wireless earbuds don't have to cost an arm and a leg. The QCY T13 earbuds will impress any music or audio fan on any budget. Overall, these earbuds earn a highly persuasive recommendation.